Good day, ma'am. My name is Kim Carlo Tuyogon, and I will discuss my understandings about the final topics of Forensic 6. So, the first is how a gun barrel is made. So, there are four types of gun barrel. First is the drilling, the reaming, and third is the rifling, and the fourth is the lapping. So, the first one is the drilling. So it is the process. It starts with a solid steel bar which drilled through to create a hollow pipe, and the second one called the reaming. It smooths out scratches or marks left from drilling. And the third one is the rifling stability. It creates spiral grooves inside the barrel that causes the barrel to spin for stability. And the last one is the lapping. It polishes the barrel to make it extremely smooth. And the types of firearms characteristics. So there are two types of characteristics. The first one is the class characteristics, and the second one is the individual characteristics. So the class characteristics is these are the planned during design, and the individual characteristics, these are unique marks from where damage or tool use identifiable through test firing and microscopic analysis. So the class characteristics example are the bore diameter, the size of the bore measured between two lands, and land grooves, raised and recessed parts inside the barrel, and land width based on the bore size, and groove width. The next one is the groove width. So the meaning of the groove width is distance between edges of a groove. The next one is the twist direction. A spiral twist right or left to stabilize the bullet. Next one is the rifling pitch. Length of the bullet travels to one full twist. And the next one is the groove depth. Distance from bore surface to groove base. And the rifling types of firearms. And the examples is 4 land grooves, right twist and equal width, smooth and weapon, 5 land grooves, right twist, and Colt 6 land grooves, left twist, narrow lands. And the next one is marks on fired bullets, landmarks, grooves, skid marks, slippage marks, and shaving marks. So the landmarks is the indentations from lands, and the groove marks raised from parts from groups, and the skid marks from initial contact with rifling, and the slippage marks occur in worn or oily barrels. So the shaving marks caused by misaligned revolver chambers, and barrel wear and damage. So first one is the fouling, second one is corrosion, third one is erosion. So the fouling is a residue from firing. So corrosion is a chemical damage like rust. See, erosion wear from heat and gases. and marks on cartridge cases. So first marks is the firing pin mark, second one is the bridge face mark, and the third one is chamber mark, and the fourth one is the extractor and ejector marks, and shearing marks, magazine lip mark. So si firing pin mark, they are dent made when firing pin strikes primer. And si bridge face mark, imprint left by the bridge face. And the chamber is marks from cartridge expanding in chamber. The extractor and ejector marks, scratches left when the shell is pulled out. And the shearing mark is a secondary mark near the primer. And the shearing mark is a secondary mark near the primer. And the magazine lip mark is scrapes from loading via magazine.